Hello and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2015 65 Reg 218i M Sport. As you can see, the car is presented in the black sapphire metallic, features the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit alongside some very nice BMW options. You'll also see the original BMW 18-inch M Sport alloys, however we've had those professionally refurbished in the Ferric grey. At the front of the car, not only you'll see the gloss black front splitter alongside the matching kidney grills, also just how clean and tidy this wonderful two-door coupe is. Down the side we come for the gloss black sidebars and then the YNC Mperformance decals. It does also come with the sun protection glazing. Inside we've got the half Alcantara and half cloth highlight seats, which come with the electric lumbar option. 6-speed manual. All of the interior is in superb condition. And in the back there is a 2x2 Isofix arrangement with a central storage tray. Once again, that's all been kept in lovely condition, as you can see there. You do also have the darkened M Sport headlining once again, of course. Making our way to the back of the car, once again we'll show you how well the Ferric grey and black sapphire work together. And round at the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the matching rear diffuser. A really nice colour combination. If you've not yet seen the boot capacity for the 2 Series, you'll not only be very pleasantly surprised, but also be happy to know there is split folding seats, making this not only a very stylish and very fun car to drive, it does also mean it's a very practical one. Again, round at the driver's side, everything's nice and clean and tidy. That black sapphire metallic really does shine well under the strong showroom lights we've got in here. Also really works nicely out in the sunshine, something we'll look forward to. Now taking a seat inside, we'll show you the BMW business navigation and media screen we've got. Also start the vehicle up. In terms of the multimedia, there you can see for yourself, we've got USB, AUX and a Bluetooth audio inputs. In terms of the sat nav, it's by far one of the most easiest to use. Anybody can get to grips with that really quickly. There is also Bluetooth telephone and DAB. In terms of the 6-speed manual, again, it's something that you're going to find a real joy to use. It's a nice manual gearbox. BMW is still firmly a fan of making proper manual gearboxes. In terms of mileage, it's covered just over 40,000 miles. Comes with the speed limiter option, as you can see over there. Also the voice and volume controls. So there is a look around this very nice 218i M Sport. As always, if you'd like some more information on the car, including all of the prices and funding options that are of course available, if you follow the links I'll leave for you in the description, head on over to the website and from there you can view all of the relevant information for yourself. So thank you all very much, and we shall of course hopefully get to see yourself soon. Take care, thank you, bye bye.